Welcome to my YouTube channel Road Rider, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, exploring the latest machines that define performance, innovation, and style. Today, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most iconic motocross machines that has been setting benchmarks in the off-road racing world. This is the 2025 KTM SOHC, a bike that has not only evolved through years of competition and refinement, but also represents KTM's relentless pursuit of perfection in motocross engineering. Whether you are a hardcore racer, an enthusiast of off-road machines, or someone simply curious about what makes a modern dirt bike tick, this video will give you a complete breakdown of what this beast is all about. Now, KTM has long been a dominant force in the motocross and supercross world. Year after year, they've delivered championship-winning machines, and the exc-f lineup has been at the heart of that success. The 2025 model year brings us a machine that has been carefully refined for riders who demand maximum performance without compromise. When you think about motocross bikes, three key aspects come to mind: power, handling, and durability. Let's begin by talking about the design and aesthetics because, let's be honest, before we even ride a bike, the first thing that grabs us is the way it looks. The 2025 KTM's XF carries KTM's signature aggressive styling, with sharp lines and race-ready ergonomics that immediately remind you this bike belongs on the track. The new graphics package is bold, with the iconic orange frame standing proud, matched with KTM's classic color scheme of orange, black, and white. The plastic bodywork is not just about looks, it's been designed to offer practical benefits, too, like improved rider movement and better airflow to the engine and radiators. Slimmer side panels, a flatter seat profile, and integrated shrouds all make it easier for riders to grip the bike with their knees and transition from sitting to standing during aggressive riding. KTM knows that in motocross, every movement counts, and the ergonomics of this bike have been tuned with the rider's demands in mind. But a bike like the SOHC isn't built for show, it's built for performance. So let's talk about the engine. The 2025 KTM's XF continues to feature their class-leading four-stroke power plant. This year, it's more refined than ever. KTM has worked tirelessly to shave off weight while improving durability and power delivery. The motor is compact, lightweight, and produces a power curve that is both explosive and manageable. What's impressive about this engine is not just the raw horsepower, it's the way KTM has tuned it to deliver usable power across the rev range. For riders, this means strong low-end torque when you need that instant drive out of corners, a broad mid-range for consistent performance, and a screaming top end that lets you stretch every gear on long straights. Fuel injection technology has also seen updates in 2025, ensuring smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency. KTM has incorporated their advanced mapping system, allowing riders to switch between different engine maps to suit track conditions and riding styles. Imagine you're riding on a hard-packed, slick track. You can opt for a softer, more controllable map that prioritizes traction. But if you're on a loamy, grippy circuit, you can unleash the full aggressive map to take advantage of the extra traction. This adaptability gives riders a massive advantage during races where conditions can change from heat to heat. Another major talking point with the 2025 SOHC is its weight. KTM has always been obsessed with keeping their machines light, and this bike is no exception. The lightweight frame, forged triple clamps, and carefully engineered engine components mean that the bike feels incredibly nimble under you. Every ounce of weight savings translates into better agility on the track. The result is a bike that not only accelerates quickly, but also allows riders to flick it around corners, soar over jumps, and land with confidence. Suspension is another crucial element in motocross. KTM has equipped the 2025 SOHC with the latest WPX ACT air fork and WP rear shock system. This suspension setup has been refined to handle the toughest racing conditions. The forks offer a wide range of adjustability, so riders can fine-tune the feel to their preference, whether they like a plush, forgiving ride for rough terrain, or a stiffer setup for aggressive jumping. The rear shock complements this perfectly, keeping the rear wheel planted and ensuring maximum traction at all times. Suspension is often what separates a good motocross bike from a great one. And with the 2025 SXF, KTM has truly delivered a championship-level setup straight out of the box. Handling on this bike is exceptional. Thanks to its lightweight chromoly steel frame and centralized mass, the SXF delivers razor-sharp cornering ability, of course. All that performance means nothing if the bike can't stop as well as it goes. KTM equips the 2025 SXF with high-performance Brembo brakes, known for their reliability and stopping power. The front brake delivers strong bite with great modulation, while the rear brake provides excellent feel without being too grabby. In motocross, where braking points are as important as acceleration zones, having confidence in your brakes is vital. KTM has ensured that riders can rely on their braking performance lap after lap. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.